I'm going to talk to you today about adding a life and health policy to your Jenesis Classic system. In your client main screen, you'll go down and click on the Life and Health Policy tab, and then you'll click Add Policy. When you click Add Policy, this screen comes up, and this is where you will enter in your policy information, your location, the company that you're writing it through, the policy number, the line of business, the type of business, the premium, and the term. There is a custom field for the health policies or the life policies that were done midterm, who the producer is, and then down here you would enter in your coverages. When you click on the coverages, you've got general information, and this is a health policy, so you would put in your policy number, group number if there is one, a Medicare supplemental number if there is one, the plan name. If your plan name is not listed, you can click on this box and you can add whatever plan name you need, your effective dates and your expiration dates, deductibles, family deductibles, coverage amounts if this were a life. If this were a life policy, you would click the life button here and put in your coverage amount, the premium, how it's paid, and it will calculate your monthly payment, and your copays for your drug plan, which I put in 10, 25, and 100, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and information regarding the named insured. You've got your copay information, as well as if there's vision, there's a place to put in your vision information as well. Now, if this is a life policy, like I said before, you would click life and you would add the beneficiary here. But since this is a health policy, I'm going to go to my dependents tab, and this is where you enter in if there's children or a spouse. You would enter in all their information here and any comments that you may have. If you've sold a group policy, you can choose what types of coverage are included in this policy. If there's cancer, you would click on that. You can actually go in and put in the rates for the cancer policy, your commission, all the rates for employee, employee spouse, employee child, employee children, and family. You can do that for each one of these coverages. And then down here you would list the employees and what actual policies that they have elected. Under the benefits, this is for dental. You can actually put in the information regarding the dental policy, whether or not it includes orthodontics, and your amount of coverage that they have for preventative, major, and basic. You can also do a memo down here if you need to make a note. If you have any questions, you can call us at 828-245-1171.